Siliguri offers an enhancing experience as the city fills in as a passage toward the northeastern territories of India, Bhutan, Nepal, and the well-known slope stations of Darjeeling, Kalimpong, and Gangtok. The city is likewise a significant center for exchange and business, and it offers a mix of metropolitan and provincial appeal. The best opportunity to visit Siliguri is throughout the colder time of the year and spring month with cool winds and clear skies, ideal for touring and investigating close by slope station. It was in the month of July. We visited Siliguri. The temperature is on the rise and feeling like we can bear to go out. However, as we have decided to go for shopping, we didn't let our chances miss a single time of the day. Shopping in Siliguri is an energetic encounter offering different merchandise going from spending plan, cordial things to exceptional nearby items. The city is notable for its clamoring markets, roads, shopping and shopping centers, taking care of local people. The best shopping encounters in Siliguri. We entered from one shop to another. We bought clothes and shades and electronics items. Shopping in Siliguri is enjoyable. One, whether you are after market merchandise, one of a kind handiwork, or financial plan, cordial finds. The things ranging from clothes to mobile accessories are cheaper compared to other cities of Northeast India. We stroll the street of Siliguri. From a popular design accomplices to eccentric trinkets, you can discover a few extraordinary deals in the city, little parks and rare entryways. You can likewise find market things at lower cost, albeit the realness of items ought to be checked. Hong Kong market, renowned for spending plan, shopping, particularly imported hardware, garments, and ornaments. To a few market stores, shopping centers, and display areas. You will track down tire, footwear, home, stylistic theme, and the way of life, items from notable public and global brands. Center, where you can look for everyday fundamentals, garments, adornments, and family products. It's likewise known for offering great quality woolen pieces of clothing which are helpful assuming you are going towards colder district. There are many more shopping places inside and in the outskirts of the city. The city offers different choices for each sort of customer, and the business sector mirror the assorted social impact of the area. Remember to attempt nearby tea and bring back home a few delightful, painstaking walk as a memory of your excursion. Ini jamar dok.